The tuxedo jacket, a staple of men's formal wear that has long been associated with traditional black tie events. But in recent years, menswear formality has become much more casual, while venues, their dress code have also become a bit more laid back. So in this video, I'm going to show you a few non-traditional ways to style your tuxedo jacket for those upcoming holiday parties. Let's get started. Now, quick disclaimer, there are varying degrees of formality at different events, so do your research beforehand. And even though we are going against the rules here, we are still going to maintain some formality, but just a bit more casual. So when putting an outfit together with your tuxedo jacket, keep in mind that the jacket is going to be the main statement piece here. Everything else is just gonna complement it. So outfit number one is the most casual and the most comfortable, perfect for those outdoor holiday parties. I followed the rule on keeping the jacket the statement piece by going full monochromatic for the base layer with a black tee tucked in with a pair of black trousers and some all black Chelsea boots. Clean, simple, and it really adds vibrancy to the wearer, especially if the jacket is of a lighter color and made of velvet fabric. Also, feel free to add some subtle accessories like a chain to bring more attention to your face. So while I was changing, I also swapped out the jacket for a navy one and replaced the Chelsea boots for velvet slippers. I mean, it's difficult to mess this up when you go all black as your base layer. Outfit number two, a bit more of a casual elegance vibe with this one. I decided to throw on a navy turtleneck sweater that complements this navy tuxedo jacket perfectly, and decided to add separates to the outfit by wearing gray trousers and those same black Chelsea boots. I wanted to add separates as an example for those who don't have anything as uniform as a full tuxedo suit. Outfit number three, I had to include another monochromatic outfit, but I think going all black is appropriate for those fancy dinners and work parties. Simple, classy, and elegant in one. Feel free to change it up the base layer to an all black shirt or turtleneck for a little extra flair. Outfit number four, I went semi-formal by skipping the bow tie and studs and went with this off-white silk shirt. I decided to use French cuffs with this one, giving a slight nod to the traditional method of wearing a tuxedo jacket, but with a more laid-back twist, of course. It's, slightly laid back, but more formal than the past three looks. Now, outfit number five. I really feel the past outfits gives you good ideas on how to go about styling the tuxedo jacket, but YouTube loves odd numbers. So for outfit number five, you can go as formal as you can possibly go. I went as formal as I can possibly go with this tuxedo here, with the wing collar, bow tie, cummerbund, suspenders, but kept it a bit modern with the no-break pants and skull velvet loafers, because I'm a rebel if you couldn't tell by now. Now, no matter how you choose to wear it, the tuxedo jacket has now become a versatile and will remain a timeless piece that can be dressed up or down to suit any occasion. With a little creativity and experimentation, you can easily incorporate this classic piece into your modern wardrobe. Guys, thank you so much for watching, and I'm sorry if this video is a little rushed and all over the place. I really wanted to get a video out there before New Year's, and yeah, I'm sweating. My studio, it's very hot right now. I'm hot wearing this, but guys, I wish you a Merry Christmas, Happy Holidays, Happy New Year's, and I'll see you guys in the next video in 2023. Crazy. Peace out, guys.